Sometimes I don't even know where my ideas come from, but after painting these flowers, I just felt like painting a pretzel, and it was really easy and fun and fast. So let me just show you how it went. Basically, I got a very light brown and painted it in the shape of a heart that had like an extension of the heart center down each side, like the point at the top. You can see it. And then I went in with a darker shade of that brown, more concentrated, and painted the outside and the inside edges and gave it a little bit of shadow, and you could tell a little more that it was rounded. And then I also chose which direction I wanted to have the pretzels overlapping. And so I made the lines there. And I did this without looking at a picture or anything. It was pretty easy to freehand it. I did do a small one. So that's part of why it was fast and not as detailed. And then after all of that, I let it dry. I really just left it and was like, oh, this is good enough. But I came back in a day or two with a white gel pen and used that to add the salt. It might look kind of more like sesame seeds, but you can tell it's a pretzel and it looks cute. So I was very excited for this one. This is a pretty simple one for beginners, I would say. And I did just do wet on dry for this. I didn't do a lot of adding water and playing with that. Today, I am highlighting Enjoy the Hues. She is on Instagram and lives in the Seattle area and is just really fun to follow. She's always experimenting and trying new watercolor products. So, especially back when I was more active on Instagram, this was a lot of fun. And she's super sweet, and I'm surprised that she doesn't have more followers, honestly. So if you are on Instagram or looking for a new artist to follow there, then you should check her out.